or Home Assistant Community Store is an add-on that provides a user interface to enable you to update or install plugins, integrations, and themes. It simplifies the process of finding, installing, updating, and managing custom integrations for your Home Assistant setup. It is good to remember, though, these integrations are not officially supported by the Home Assistant developers, so they may have compatibility issues, security vulnerabilities, or bugs. It is our responsibility as users to research and understand any possible risks and limitations associated with using custom integrations. But in practice, issues don't happen very often, and if issues do come up, they are resolved through the joint effort of the whole community. To install, I first have to make sure advanced mode is enabled on Home Assistant. I will go to my profile, scroll down, and make sure advanced mode is toggled on. Next, install the Terminal and SSH add-on by going to Settings, then Add-ons, then to Add-on Store. It should be one of the official applications on Home Assistant. Select Terminal and SSH, then click Install. I'll turn on Start on Boot, Watchdog, and Auto Update. I will also select Show in Sidebar so I can easily access SSH. Then I'll click Start. To install HACS, I will select Terminal on the sidebar, then enter the script below. Once it finishes running, I will go to Settings, then System, then to the Power button on the top right corner. Now restart Home Assistant. When it finishes rebooting, go back to Settings, go to Devices and Services, add Integration, search for HACS. I will click all the boxes to acknowledge that I kinda know what I am doing, then click Submit. Copy the key that is provided, then log in to GitHub by clicking on the link. If you don't have a GitHub account, this is the perfect opportunity to create one. Once I have logged into GitHub, I will enter the key I got from HACS integration, click Continue, then Authorize HACS. Back on Home Assistant, I can now click Finish. And we should now see HACS on the left-hand menu. I can now install integrations from HACS. If I click on HACS, this will pull up links to custom integrations. Front-end, where we can find themes and custom cards, as well as add-ons and information about HACS. There's a ton of integrations, themes, and templates available on HACS, and this is one of the most exciting parts for me. Finding a solution and making it work. If you have installed HACS, I hope you enjoy your journey too. And I hope you liked the video, and thank you for watching.